Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and I hope you're all doing good. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Mary and I do all things beauty to lifestyle and everything in between. As you guys tell the title of the video, I'm going to be doing this beautiful bronzy smoky night out look. You should go Mario and let's get into the video. Amazing. I'm using my perfect shade, especially for winter. So now that I know that, I need to go back to the store. It's perfect. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished doing my eyebrows kind of. I might alter them later on, but I was thinking I'd want to do my eyeshadow first. As we know, I like to go in with Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in 0.5. Here we go to my Morphe 3502 palette. This shade is my Transition. And then stop blending it out. Then we're gonna go with this nice orange shade here and just blend that in to the crease as well. The shade next. I'm gonna go with this brown shade here. Okay. I feel like this shade here and this shade here I'm gonna go in with. I'm just gonna go in a little bit of this color just to brighten up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in and do like a smoky liner with that dark shade that I used. I'm liking this a lot. Because I'm extra, I'm gonna go in with Overdraft by Makeup Revolution, which is this loose glitter color. Such a beautiful, beautiful color. Like, so beautiful, you guys. I'm just gonna go in, just add a little bit of sparkle because y'all know I'm extra. I'm gonna go in on the lid. Put that there. All over the lid. Yeah, so now it's onto the face finally. I feel like I can just rush this bit. Cool tan. I don't know why, but the video's looking a bit orange. Blend that out. I don't know why it was looking so matched just a second ago. Maybe my thing got in. The settings are just not right. A little bit of C10, but I really think it's the same shade, to be honest. Yeah, it's not that much lighter because it really was my highlight shade. Just in the center like that. My cream bronzer. I really do feel like the back of my my beauty blender is better for this part than the brushes. Just how I feel like it blends easily and yeah, just easier, faster. Because it really is dabbing that you have to do now rather than spreading, because I really placed it, the brush. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with Sacha Buttercup again just because just a set. This is why I don't like doing my eyeshadow first. I just look crazy. I feel just because my face isn't done. I feel like when my face is done, it will start to look normal. Okay, so I finished doing that. I'm just gonna dust or blend it in or whatever I do, pat it in, because you know, oily skin over here. I'm gonna go with my banana powder. You guys already know I love this powder. I've actually been using it like non-stop. I have to try this powder out, I'm telling you. You wouldn't get like the chocolate one if you don't want to get this one. I had it in my, I think I used it in my full face makeup revolution video, so if you haven't seen it, you can check that out and you see me use like the darker one to set first and then go in with this one. So I'm just gonna go in with this powder, put that all over my nose, everywhere. And now it's time for bronzing. I'm gonna go in with this shimmer bronzer that I have, and I'm gonna go in with Glow as well, the dark one. Anyone will do, you guys. No, Rachel Leary came out with the shimmer bronzer, but I don't know if it's for dark skin as well. I'm not too sure, but I know that she came out with one. So yeah. So you guys know how I like to apply. I like to tap first, and then I like to blend. So now it's time for the Glow bronzer. Tap, 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 and then blend. This is actually so pigmented. I really need to dust some off, you guys, if you want to use it. Then just gonna dust this under eye a bit, and like just a baking oil, just tap it in. There's literally extra protection for like oily skin. If you guys didn't know, if you're new here, your first time, you know, seeing me, I have really oily skin, so this is literally how, like, you know, I stop it from seeping through by baking. Okay, so I just done my nose and this stuff off camera. My NYX face powder. Dab that. So press it and then wipe. Press in and then wipe. Make sure everything is like flawlessly blended. Love Struck again, because I like how like cute and pink this was. Smell and dab. I'm gonna go with my eyebrow gel. I'm gonna go with the MUA Brow Define gel, just to make sure my brows are like, you know, set and like sitting correctly. Ooh. So now I'm just gonna spray, and I'm just gonna go in and like start finishing my eye. I didn't realize it wasn't filming, so I literally just done like the rest of my face off camera. But I just done my like highlight, my nose, you know, eyelashes, the bottom eyelashes as well, and top eyelashes. I'm loving this look so much, you guys. Like, I'm just loving it. Loving it. This is just my lips I have to do on camera. Lip liner and Obsession. I didn't realize I just turned off again. I just went in with Ever After and this in the makeup Obsession matte lip stick thing. I'll go over it with Makeup Revolution Sheer Lip in Head Turner, just a little bit. Anyways, yeah, so this is the finished look, you guys. This is what it's looking like. This is like the nice bronzy night out look. Like, you guys can see all the shimmer there. My eyelid. I'm liking this. So now I'm just going to take my hair out and this off, my robe off. And yeah, this is the outfit I'm wearing. I'm wearing like this nice, like cute shirt dress. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I didn't get to show you guys how I did my ponytail, literally just because I was running late, but it's literally just a ponytail. Nothing more. I just added some jewelry, some like chunky earrings and a necklace, and yeah, so this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoy the video, and yeah, have a blessed day, you guys. Bye.